Did you lift your early Bronco so high you can't get back in it? What if you could make getting in and out of your early Bronco effortless without ruining its classic look? Well, Duff's may have the perfect solution. The AMP Power Step Kit for 66 to 77 Ford Broncos. I'm Monster Mike with the Bronco Garage, and today we're taking a look at what might be the best power step kit for EBs. So why upgrade? Well, if your Bronco has any amount of lift, these power steps make getting in and out of your Bronco dramatically easier. And you just might look cool again. When you order this on dufftuff.com, you'll have a few options. You can just purchase the step brackets or the step brackets and the AMP power steps together. There is also an optional AMP module mounting bracket that can be added. I'm going to show you all three products, and it's important to know that the AMP step kit will be shipped directly from AMP Research, so do not expect all the parts to arrive at the same time. Let's start with what makes Duff's version different. Starting with the step bracket and floor brace, not only are these parts simple and intuitive to install, their design doesn't drill into the inner rocker at all. This is huge as it prevents any dirt, road debris, moisture, or that dreaded rust to get into the Bronco body. Here you can see this bent portion of the step bracket that hangs down below the rocker and provides protection to the Bronco's rocker and steps when going off-road. Unlike other kits out there, Duff's step brackets come powder coated and ready to install. The hardware kit includes everything you need, including a 3-position control switch with automatic, locked up, and locked down modes. Lock the steps up while wheeling to protect them from rocks, then lock them down afterward for easy cleaning. It's a small feature, but it makes a big difference, and most other kits don't offer it. Now let's dig into the AMP box. These steps come longer than needed, which is actually a big advantage. Once cut to fit, you'll have a complete spare set of replacement steps. Perfect if one ever gets damaged. That kind of peace of mind makes using your Bronco off-road that much more enjoyable. To round out the kit, Duff's engineered a stainless steel mounting bracket for the control module. If you're ready to upgrade your early Bronco, check out the links in the description below or go to dufftuff.com. Hey, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll catch you guys on the next one.